Say hi, Blake. Blake, you gonna say hi? Blake, bark 2 times. Bark 2 times, Blake. If you to say hi. Come on, Blake, let's go for a walk. Blake. Blake. Good boy. Come on, let's keep going. Blake. Boy, Blake. Blake. Blake, come here. Look, Blake. Look, Blake. How you coming? Blake. Blake, Blake. 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 Blake, come here, boy. Ooh. Blake. 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 Oh, good. Look at that. Blake, come here. Blake. Come here, Blake. Holy shit. Wait. Okay. Oh, sorry, Blake. It's okay. Come on, boy. Let's keep going. You guys don't go fast. Dangerous. Come on, Blake. 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 Blake, come here. Blake. Blake. Come on. Come, Blake. What is he doing? What is Blake doing? Blake! Come here, boy. Blake! Come here. This is where I'm staying at, my awesome auntie's house. My boyfriend. Blake. Blake! Come here, Blake. Blake, come here. Come here, Blake. Whoa, 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 whoa. See Blake. Say hi to the camera, Blake. Blake, look. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Oh, Blake. You be a little aggressive sometimes. Blake, you don't say hi to the camera. Blake, you don't say hi to the camera. Look at this dog. It's a Maltese. Or however you say it, I don't know. Blake, let's go for another walk. He runs right just past me. Blake, I can't. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. Come on, Blake. It's sun. It's hot outside today. Oh, I need a drink. Blake, Blake, come here, boy. Blake. Blake, come here. Blake. Come here, boy. Come here. Blake, come here. These are really pretty. These are pretty plants with the pointy. Come on, Blake. Blake. Oh, Blake, no, don't do that. Blake, come on. Blake. Blake, come here, boy. Blake. Come here, boy. Blake. I'm gonna leave you. Come here, boy. Blake. Sit, Blake. So we're gonna try to make it 10 times. So it's mostly for both of us. So Blake, you want to race? I want to see who can make it around there. So we both made it around the first half together. But he's been going just replace it. That does give him 1 point because he go just replace it farther than me because he's a dog. And he knows how to take care of himself, right? We all take care of ourselves, still a child. So Blake, we're gonna go on a race, okay? So I'm gonna go run. So we're gonna see who could go around all time fastest. But I want Blake to win too. So the last round is when we so we're gonna walk around it 2 more times, that makes 7. Then we'll take a break by talking and stuff. Then 2 more times to make it 9. And the last round, that will make it 10. So, you ready, Blake? Let's go. Let's go, Blake. Come on, Blake. Let's go, boy. So, we're going to do this together. Since he's faster than me, I'm not going to use my energy for listening on Blake. This cow's going around in a circle because he's going to every neighbor's house. Sometimes he'll just skip around. But usually, Blake, he just looks at the house to see if he can find something. Ooh, bees. Oh, bees. Blake, it's so sunny out today. Blake, Blake, come here, boy. Blake. You see this little troublemaker? Blake, I'm gonna leave you. Yeah, if I say I'm gonna leave you, he'll be like, don't leave me. Three, 2, 1. Yeah, he's tired, you see? But watch me start running, he'll start running. Blake! Oh, come here, boy. Blake. Blake, come here. Blake. Blake.